Deniz Metal Casting Company was established in 1990 in Istanbul, and today operates modern production facilities focused on aluminium scrap recycling and secondary aluminium ingot manufacturing. Aluminium scrap from all around the world passes through advanced shredding and separation systems, where it is purified, sorted, and its purity is carefully inspected. Each kilogram of recycled aluminum consumes approximately 95% less energy compared to primary production, and reduces carbon emissions by up to 9 times. In this way, Deniz Metal Casting strengthens its environmentally friendly production approach, contributing both to the preservation of natural resources and to a sustainable industry. The scrap is loaded into our shredding line equipped with modern technology, where it is initially crushed and conveyed along belt systems. The scrap, crushed by hammer crushers, is then transferred to a magnetic separator, where iron-containing materials are separated from the aluminum. Using eddy current technology, foreign materials such as dust, plastic, foam, and glass, including particles as small as 0.1 millimeter, are separated from the aluminium. In the final stage, the scrap is purified from heavy metals such as zinc, lead, and copper using the TOMRA X-ray device, resulting in high-purity aluminium ready for processing. Aluminum pieces that have gone through the crushing and cleaning stages are inspected with specialized equipment before melting. This process ensures both their purity and suitability for production, allowing quality to be verified quickly and efficiently. The purified aluminum is transported to the furnaces, using loading carts with a capacity of 1,200 kilograms. Next, the metal is melted in modern furnaces and enriched with alloying elements to produce high-strength aluminum alloys. The melted metal rests in a reverber furnace, during which alloying elements such as silicon, magnesium, copper, and manganese are added. This results in high-strength aluminium alloys that meet specifications. The molten aluminum from a single 17-ton charge flows to the casting line through 2 channels. After casting, the ingots are carefully stacked and cooled in a controlled manner. After the casting and packaging stages, our ingots, prepared in accordance with international standards, are delivered to our customers using just-in-time logistics. Deniz Metal Casting actively participates in both national and international organizations, such as TALSAD, TUDOCSAD, the Bureau of International Recycling, BIR, BMR, and MRAI to maintain the highest quality and environmental standards in the industry. These memberships demonstrate our company's commitment to producing in line with global sustainability goals.